JN2 Kakinada R23 regulation data structures first BTech second semester regular examinations set number 2 common to CSC IT CSC allied branches. Part A 2 marks questions. What is a linear data structure? Name a few examples. Which sort algorithms works best on mostly sorted data? How can you represent a linked list node? Write some example which use linked list. Write the applications of stack is a search operation. Explain why stack is recursive data structure. Write different types of queues. List the applications of circle queue. What are the properties of binary search tree? Define hash table. 10 marks questions. Part B. Second lo A. How do time and space complexity analysis help in understanding and comparing different algorithms or data structures? B. Explain insertion sort technique with example. Third lo A. Explain about binary search technique with example. Write a program to print elements of given array is reverse order and analyze its time and space complexities. Fourth lo A. Describe the structure of double linked list. Devise the operations on double linked list. Give suitable examples. B. Explain the representation of polynomial expressions using linked list. 5 lo A. Describe the structure of circular linked list. Devise the operations on circular linked list. Give the suitable examples. Explain applications of linked list with suitable examples. Sixth question. A. Write an algorithm to implement stacks using arrays. B. Convert the following infix expression to postfix and prefix expressions. A plus B by C star D by E minus F plus log. Seventh lo A. Briefly explain the properties and operations of stacks. Explain applications of stack in recursive function with example. ఎనిమిది లో A. Write an algorithm to implement queues using linked list. Describe the applications of queues in scheduling algorithms. 9 lo A. Describe the insertion and deletion operations of queues of both ends. B. Discuss the applications of dues with suitable example. 10 lo A. Write a recursive algorithms for the in order, free order, first order tree towards. What is binary search tree? Construct binary search tree for 30, 27, 12, 45, 52, 2, 37, 18, 49, 12, 30. Last question. Question number 11. What is collision in hash table? Explain how collision can be resolved using separate changing. Describe the applications of hashing in unique identifier generations. Thank you.